that when the person separates, the data is cleaned from the device. And if all these things that I mentioned are thought of just individual activities and not as processes, then as auditors you have a lot of value add to do in ensuring that you have end-to-end processes when implementing BYOD. A very important aspect that is often overlooked when talking about BYOD is the technology readiness. Yes, I have a latest iPhone, but that doesn't mean that my back end has the necessary tools to implement BYOD in a secure way. For example, a lot of organizations in the earlier times went with BYOD by using the ActiveSync feature from Microsoft. They started with emails, and there's a feature in Microsoft mail technology which provides for external users to sync up with the mail server and use the mails and access the mails, download the mails and so on. But beyond, I forget the version number, but before a particular version, there were not enough tools even to identify that at this point in time, tell me which are the devices that are connected. Or tell me at this point in time, do I know what are the devices that I permit to connect to my mail infrastructure. So when we talk about technology, it is not about giving shiny phones or tablets to your end users. It is also ensuring that your back end has the necessary tools, infrastructure, processes to weather the storms that it might create. And as auditors, when you are looking at BYOD, please look at the technology readiness when somebody is going on to this initiative. Culture is very important, but I don't want to speak about it because many speakers have spoken about the cultural aspects on the various streams. But as experienced auditors, you could understand what is the relevance